Are you tired of attendees showing up to canceled meetings because you forgot to notify them? Learn how to cancel a meeting and send a cancellation email in under 30 seconds. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to cancel a meeting in Google Calendar and send a professional cancellation message. Let's dive in. First, find the meeting you want to cancel in your Google Calendar and click on it to open the event details. Then, look for the trash icon, that's the delete button, and click it to start the cancellation process. Now, a window will pop up where you can enter a subject and a message for your cancellation email. Once you're happy with your message, click Send to notify attendees that the meeting has been canceled. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.